Hello everyone. Welcome to the first episode of CareerByteCode AI Leadership Podcast, where we are bringing together industry leaders, architects, innovators to discuss the future of AI, data engineering, and enterprise technology. I'm Manish Kumar, today your host. I'm also an enterprise AI career architect and global AI leader and technical mentor at CareerByteCode. Today's topic is one of the every AI professional should understand AI beyond the ChatGPT, enterprise architecture, data engineering, and AI leadership. And joining me today is someone with deep expertise in data platforms, Microsoft Fabrics, Databricks, and business intelligence and enterprise analytics. He is Keshwan, who is also one of my very best friend. So, Keshwan, welcome to the podcast.
Yeah, well, yeah, thank you.
So we will begin with your journey. So you started in the traditional business intelligence, and today you are leading data platform initiatives and enterprise uh, company, right? So tell us about your journey, how it began.
Yeah, okay, sure. Yeah, sure. My journey started in business intelligence, mainly working on reporting and dashboards, helping business users to understand their data. So as I gained more experience, I realized one important thing: a beautiful dashboard is only possible if data behind it is clean and reliable. Okay, so that curiosity pushed me towards data engineering, cloud platforms like Azure, Databricks, Microsoft Fabric, and also
Right,
enterprise AI. Okay, today my
right.
work is not just about building dashboards, it's about to build the platforms and support the data analytics. Okay, so alongside my professional work, I also enjoy sharing my knowledge with the data community through CareerByteCode. Yeah.
Great, great to know about this, Keshwan. So most people think actually AI is equal to ChatGPT, and that's the end of it, right? But as someone who is building the enterprise platforms, do you think that's true?
uh See, I hear this almost every day. Okay, so ChatGPT made AI popular. That's not a good thing. Okay, but in an enterprise, AI is much bigger than a chatbot. Behind every successful AI solution, there are data pipelines, cloud infrastructure, governance, security, a lot of monitoring things and business processes are involved in it. So, thinking of the ChatGPT like dashboard, it's a customer sees. The real engineering happened behind is like it's happened in like phase by phase. Okay, that's where data architect and data engineers might play a big, huge role in it. Yeah.
Right, because the most of the engineers whom I meet, during my enterprise experience, they directly jump into the LLMs. But experienced architect, always say that the garbage data produces garbage AI. So your data should be pristine before you jump into the AI to make, decisions using the LLMs. So why do you think the data engineering is becoming more and more important nowadays with the current AI situations?
Okay. We can say in a simple language, I have to compare building a modern airport like. Okay. So passengers only see the terminal, but behind the scene there are hundreds of systems working together. Enterprises air is not similar like that. First you collect data, then you have to clean it, process it, and govern it. Create databases and RAG also. So you have to create a model, build APIs, and monitor performance. Then only you have to come to as a dashboard. So finally,
Right.
business users interact with AI applications. Then LLM is not a one building block. It's a much bigger architecture. We have to say that like that.
So what do you think if the entire AI is built successfully, and if the data platform is weak, it's not that as strong as it's supposed to be, will the AI implementation still succeed?
So it's not like that AI implementation. So it because the data depends completely on AI, which is depends completely on data. If your data is duplicated or missing or outdated or poorly governed, even the most powerful AI model will give poor answers. So we have to say like that, garbage in and garbage out. First, I have to tell my team, don't blame the AI first. You have to clean your data before proceeding in it. So we have to
Right.
tell, you have to check the data before you get any insights.
Yes. So you mean to say that the data should be, correct without any duplicates, without any, anomalies or any outliers. All those things should be included in data engineering best practices. And then
Yes,
only we should switch to the AI.
correct.
Okay.
Exactly.
So let's shift gears from data engineering to enterprise AI architect. So
Okay.
whenever I do a review for an AI solution, with any of the client, I notice many team focuses only on the LLM part because they think that only focusing on LLM will basically, make their solution successful. But when we are implementing at an enterprise level, the AI involves much more than LLM. So when you're working with architects, how important is the architecture of the entire solution compared to choosing the right model?
Mm, okay. So if you want to create that model, so for a demo, if you want to make a production like that, when thousands of users are using that one AI every day, you need to make it scalable or governance, security, monitoring. It should be reliable data. Without the modern data platform, AI quickly becomes difficult to maintain. So that's why the main enterprise or first modernize data landscape before scaling. We have to make it before properly. So make the data clean. Yeah.
And what do you think are the different layers or the different aspects of the enterprise architecture we should focus on when designing such systems?
Uh, okay.
So basically, when you're architecting an enterprise solution, there will be multiple layers around that architecture. Like you will have to define all the security aspect of the architecture, right? All
Yes.
the data layer aspect of the architecture, and orchestration also plays an important role in that, architecture.
Mm-hmm.
You also need to focus on when you are defining some architecture, like you need to also focus on governance part of it, right? Which includes monitoring or auditing the logs. So all of this will include in the enterprise level architecture, right?
Yeah,
So
correctly. Yes. Yeah.
so doing implementation of these kind of multiple layers in an enterprise scenario, you know, what mistakes do you think companies make before they complete a successful AI proof of concept or a successful AI solution and enterprise scale? What are the common mistakes do company make?
Yeah. So particularly, I haven't seen three common mistakes as okay. First of all, they start with the technology instead of the business problem. Second, they underestimate data quality. Third, they expect AI to solve organizational problems without changing the process. AI is not that much kind of magic. It's another enterprise capability only, like ERP or CRM or analytics. It needs the right architecture and the right people to get it done.
Right. So let's switch to Microsoft Fabric versus Databricks, right? So you have worked on both the technologies, right?
Yes, correct.
So what do you think when the enterprises should choose Microsoft Fabric over the Databricks? So when they should prefer Microsoft Fabric instead of the Databricks. Any such
Yeah,
scenarios you have faced in your
yes,
client
correct.
experience?
Yeah, exactly. These similar questions I often expected in every discussions. So the answer is it depends. It depends on the companies or architecture what they are giving the data based on that. If an organization is already heavily invested in Microsoft technologies, Fabric might be a very smooth integrated experience for them. If the organization handles massive data engineering workloads, advanced AI or large scale machine learning, Databricks is an excellent choice for them. I don't believe in technology wars. I believe in choosing the right tool for the right business problems.
Right. So everything is as per the requirement, the business requirement.
Yes, correct. Exactly.
So for you know a beginner or someone who is starting to learn data engineering, what are the different skills they should focus on? In the beginning of their career. What are your thoughts?
So they have to first of all they have to make their logical skills or to maintain or to try to solve the problems, to understand the business problems. This is the main thing I am seeing first of all.
Right.
Yeah.
So any misconceptions or myths which usually will be handled when you are discussing about data engineering with your enterprise clients? Any
Mhm.
myths or misconceptions you have faced or encountered?
Misconceptions, we can say that so if they created any architecture means, so they thought that a agent will come and solve their all the problems. If you like that, they are saying it's not like that. We have to do everything. The data is clean, then only it will give the right or perfect answers. It's a misconception. Like we have the great tool for that, so it resolves all our business problems. It's not like that.
Right, right. And what about some of the students in current scenario? They particularly focus on getting the certifications done. So, what do you think? Getting the certifications is enough right now in the current market situation?
Okay. My advice is very simple. It's don't feel pressure to learn every new AI tool that appears on social media. So technology changes very fast. Concepts stay for years. Investment time and learning fundamentals first. You have to build your real projects. So you have to document what you learn from those projects. Share your learnings on LinkedIn or share your with your friends and participate in
Right,
communities, and most importantly stay curious and consistent beats the intensity. Yeah, like that I can say.
right, right. So now we will do a rapid fire round.
Yeah,
Okay.
sure.
So I'll be asking you options. So you have to give out of the two options, you have to select one. Okay.
Sure.
So this is gonna be fun for a rapid fire
Yeah,
round.
sure.
So let's start with the first one. ChatGPT or Claude?
So I use both. Each one has its strengths, depends upon the task. Yeah.
Fabric or Databricks?
So I will ask one question first. What's your business requirement? And it has to tell the answer.
Okay. SQL or Python?
So SQL helps to find the data. Python helps me create the value from it.
Okay. Lakehouse or warehouse?
We can say like it should be, yeah, what kind of data you are going to use and how it resides. It's a simple answer.
Okay. Power BI or Tableau?
So again, it's that. So from the Microsoft based organizations, Power BI is the best first choice, and later you can choose based on the requirements.
Azure or AWS?
So it's based on convenient and yeah, business needs. Yeah,
Next one is interesting one. Mentoring or managing?
I will say both. Mentoring and managing. It should come hand in hand. Yeah.
Okay. Books or YouTube?
Nowadays we can say We have to learn from the books a lot, and nowadays we have to recent means quick. We have to get updates means YouTube is the best choice.
Give me one technology everybody should learn.
It's agentic AI, we can say. I
Give me
believe
one
autonomous.
skill.
Yeah, I
Okay.
believe autonomous AI systems will transform enterprise software. So we have to
Okay.
learn the technology, agentic AI.
So agentic AI it is. Okay.
Yes,
So one skill every AI engineer should develop.
it's logical thinking and problem solving skill.
Okay. So uh, we are moving towards conclusion here. So where do you think enterprise AI will be in 5 years? What's your take on that?
Yeah, okay. I believe we will move, we have to move beyond AI assistants. Okay, the next phase is AI teammates. Yeah, I have to say like that. Instead of just answering
Or
questions,
you
AI,
mean the AI co-workers?
yes, AI co-workers. Yeah, exactly. Instead of just answering questions, AI systems will plan the task, coordinate with other systems, automate workflows, and help employees make faster decisions. But one thing won't change. Organizations with strong data architecture, good governance, and high quality data will always get the best results from the AI. Okay, technology will evolve. Okay,
Right.
data foundations will remain the biggest competitive advantages for them. Yeah,
Right. Data is going to be the foundation for every
foundations.
particular AI.
Yes,
Yes,
correct.
that's absolutely true. And also, the governance is going to be a very important role when dealing with AI systems. Because if there is no governance in place, everything will be quite chaotic. That's what I feel.
Yeah, exactly correct. We have to add the layer governance. Without what the data, it will gone away. So we have to
Yeah.
protect our data and our organization data, everything. Yeah, sensitivity is main thing. The data, because the data in the real world, the data is cost.
Yes. Yes. And also, what I feel is more and more, things will be delegated and outsourced to AI, and the human will be only at the end where he needs to basically review the work of AI. That's what I feel.
Yes,
Because
correctly.
more and more capabilities are being developed around the agentic AI systems, where the AI is not only thinking or generating the content, but it's also taking action. So that's where it's heading. In the next couple of years, we will see human will be playing only the reviewer role, right?
According to the technology grows, we have to evolve along with the technology. Yeah, we have
Yes.
to how to use effectively. We have to learn. That's it.
So my final question to you is, if you could give one piece of advice to every AI professional who is watching this today, what would it be? You know,
So I can say that the one message is consistently we have to learn the things. Technology may come and go, and every tools may come and go. We have to understand the business problems, and we have to work around that one. Which tool is effective for that particular organization or data? We have to use that one. Can say like
right,
that.
right. So thank you so much, Keshwan, for joining us today. It has been an incredible conversation with you on enterprise AI, data engineering, and AI leadership. So to everyone who is watching around, if you found this discussion valuable, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Career Byte Code AI Leadership Podcast. And if you would like to see more conversation with enterprise architects, CTOs, AI leaders, founders, and technology experts from around the world, let us know in the comment who you would like us to invite next. Thank you for being part of the Career Byte community. Thank you so much.
Yeah. Thank you so much for inviting me into the Career Bed Code. Yeah. Thank you.